On Dalal Street, markets fell for the third straight session amidst choppy trades, but came off day's lows by the end of the day, and the Sensex slipped below 18,000 levels at open, but recovered and ended the day at 18,246, down 61 points. And the Nifty found support at 5,400 levels. There was a little bit of green on the screen today. Metals, realty, they were the ones which were shining in trades today. To go get all the specifics on the market action, Tanveer Gill joins us. Hi, Tanveer.
Well, it was an interesting session for the market. We came off the day's lows for the index. Nonetheless, that was impressive. But what was not impressive is the fact that we were not able to turn into the green for a fair amount of time in the session today. We attempted at it thrice, but couldn't quite close in the green in the session so far. And neither did we close at the highest point in trade. In fact, the broader range for the market at the higher end of today's session was between 53.80 to about 54.20. And on balance, we were able to close around the 5400 mark. In terms of stock-specific action, there was pressure seen in IT stocks. So the likes of HCL Tech were weak in the session. Bharti Airtel saw pressure. Banks under tremendous pressure, even though they recovered from the day's lows, and that was reflecting the bank Nifty. You had a whole host of them, IndusInd Bank, HDFC Bank, SBI, Punjab National Bank, which were under pressure. BHEL, infrastructure stocks, and some of the cap good majors also continue to reel under pressure. On the gaining side, the big trade that's playing out in the market is, of course, a metals story. So Tata Steel saw good price and volume activity. Hindalco was active. Sesa Goa and Sterlite, big moves coming in. They were the stock stories of the session. In fact, Sesa Goa closing up almost 16% above average volumes there. Likewise for Sterlite Industries, a prelude really to Sesa Sterlite coming on board. So those stocks saw a fair amount of activity. To the broader markets, banks were under pressure there, infrastructure stocks, real estate names were under pressure, but the story that stood out was really financial technologies, as an ET Now exclusive put out the fact that the NSCL issue has now been is now being probed under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, and that brought about a fair amount of cut in the stock, closed down fairly significantly, 7% lower in the 9 minutes of trade.